Okay, so last time we have seen this node called API request node. Let's say, for example, that we want to show some AI images, generate some AI images inside our chatbot, playing a little bit with some prompts and some AI images. And here we have DALL-E.node. What is DALL-E? Let's check here. DALL. Okay, DALL-E is an AI image generator which is part of the OpenAI models. Right now we are using an OpenAI model which is called GPT-4, and it's part of this one, GPT-4 or Mini, which is part of OpenAI. And this one also is an AI model, but it's for images. We'll return images based on the prompts that you put. So if you want to test it, let's first create flow. Let's call it generate image. Okay. And here we have DALL-E. We have different models, DALL-E 3 or 2. Of course, 3 is advanced. And here we have the image quality. We have standard or HD. Of course, HD will consume more tokens in your OpenAI account. It's better to use standard. Also, it will take less time to generate the images. Here we can select different image dimensions, square or wide, with the actual size in pixel. And here is the actual prompt. In what variable you will save the actual image, the URL of the image that came from OpenAI DALL-E, or yeah, and here save revised prompt. Yes, so if you put a prompt here, DALL-E will first generate an AI image for you, and also it will revise your prompt. Will create a better prompt for your from your own prompt for the image. So okay, first let's save this one. And 1 second, let's get back to triggers. Okay, here let's say instead of show image, this is not an normal image, it's an AI generated image. Generate. 1 second, Bright Home Solutions. Here we already have some products. We want to generate auto saving, nice, energy efficient light. Okay, let's generate an image for generate AI image. And here we can say, for example, if the user asks you to generate an image for your energy efficient lighting. Of course, it's not going to be accurate. It's just this is just an example, just a demo for the DALL-E node inside flows. Let's save this one first. Get back here. Here we need two variables. First, the variable where we're gonna put the image URL, and second, the variable for the revised prompt. Okay, we can ignore this one, but this one is gonna be important. So we can get back in the variables, create a variable called image1. No problem. Image1. Then get back to flows, and here select image1, and here on the prompt. Okay, the prompt it's already, I think, like an instruction for the image. Generate highly realistic image for a energy efficient lighting. Save. Get back to trigger just to specify the output, which will be a flow or generate image. Oh yes, I forgot one thing. So the image will be saved here. So what we need to do is create an image node and show the actual image. Save. So here, this one is called DALL-E node. It will use AI to generate an image based on prompt. Then it will put the image URL inside this variable. And here, we're going to use the image node to show it. Okay, in triggers, we already, yeah. Here in trigger, it's fine. If the user asks to generate an image for your product. Okay, save, then go to configuration and add this one. Generate, there is a small mistake here. Generate, not generate AI image. And get back here. Okay, refresh. It's, what is it? Generate AI image correctly. Okay, what we need to do now is just test this trigger and flow. One second. Your energy efficient lighting product. Can you show me an image of your energy efficient lighting product? Okay, I have to tell you that DALL-E AI image generation maybe could take a little bit of time. It's a little bit slow, but eventually we'll see here. This is an AI image for energy efficient lighting product. Yeah. Now we got the AI image. Cool, nice. Maybe it's not 100% accurate, but this is what the flow called DALL-E image do. Will generate not an actual image, but an AI image. So it's not gonna be 100% realistic. Okay, so we need also to test this one. Save revised prompt variable. Let's get back here in variables. We have image one. I'm gonna create one. Let's call image one. Revised prompt. Inside flow. We pick that specific variable, and here we can add, like over here, and add a text node. Revised prompt. Okay, save. Nice. Okay, check this one. Can you show me? Hello? Let's wait a few seconds. Let's see. Yeah. And this is the text. Revised prompt. Generate a highly detailed and realistic image of... So, this image is coming from DALL-E, which is an AI model from OpenAI company, and this also. This is the revised prompt. Yeah, so let's try another example. Let's say, for example, go to variable here and create something called create an image related to some subject. I'll explain it. Just wait for me. I'll explain what does it mean. Here we call something subject. Then we get back to flow, and here we generate a highly realistic image for. Then here we add something called subject. So we can generate an image for anything. And here in triggers, we need to change this one. So it's not only about product. If the user asks you to generate an image about a certain subject, then subject or theme, for example. And we need to connect data, so we need to ask the user what you want me. We need to ask the user, you want me to generate an image about what exactly? So in variables, you also choose this one, subject, and here subject, and in the description, the subject. This one is important because the AI will understand what it's going to ask the user for. The subject of the image. Save. Okay. But here now I don't need to ask about specifically this one, energy efficient, but I want you to generate me an image. See, Sure, what subject or theme would you like the image to be about? Please provide me with some details and I'll generate it for you. Okay, let's say anime characters, I think, under the theme zone. It's not related to the company, but it's just an example. So let's see. Okay, yeah. Now this is the image generated. Anime characters fighting under Jump. And if you get back here in the contact, okay, this is my contact. Let's get back in image one. You have the URL of the image. It's this one. It's inside proper window private API DALL-E. DALL-E API. So if you open this one in another window, yeah, this is the image. And for this variable called image revised prompt, let's see. This one also is a prompt revised from the DALL-E model. Two animate characters, one with jet black hair, etc., etc. Bathing the entire scenery in its eerie glow. Oh, nice. And this one is the subject, the actual thing that I typed here: anime character fighting under anime character. So what happens here? See this one, the variable called subject. It was animated, but the text I put here, and it was put inside variable called image called subject, because here in trigger I ask it to do so. The image inside subject one, inside subject, and inside the flow I said generate a highly realistic image for and subject. So that's how variables work also for triggers and flows. Yeah, that's it. This is the DALL-E node.